Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually add your friends on Social Club Rockstar. Now, it's very easy, let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up the games launcher. From here you can't actually invite your friends, but what you can do is go to the top right corner where the Rockstar icon appears. From there go to manage account, and once you're inside manage account it will take you to the browser. Now from here what you have to do is go to the top right where your icon appears, your profile. From there you go down to your friends right here. You use the drop down menu and you go to my friends, and as you can see the friends list is empty. But what you can do is simply press find friends, and here you can invite friends via an email address, or simply go down here if your friends already have a social club account and go to find friends right here. Now here you can search the social club members, and your friends have to give your name that is in the top of the profile. When you click the avatar, simply send the name over and they can search for you, or you can search at them. Now that's it, and from there you can play together on a Rockstar. Now, if you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down and I will try my very best to help you. If this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot.